are learning about the weather. Sunny day. First up, it's a sunny day. The sun is shining bright and the sky is clear. You can wear your sunglasses and play outside. Rainy day. Uh-oh, look, it's raining. The clouds are dark and drops of water fall from the sky. Don't forget your umbrella. Windy day. Wow, feel that breeze. The wind is blowing really fast. Hold on to your hat. This is a windy day. Snow day. Brr, it's cold outside. Look at all the snow. You can make snowmen and have snowball fights on a snowy day. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.